The 2024 Toyota Tacoma finally has the capability to compete with modernized midsize rivals like as the Ford Ranger and Chevrolet Colorado. The new Tacoma gets updated powertrains, more contemporary features, and a wider range of trim levels, including the newly introduced Trailhunter, which is targeted towards individuals who enjoy overlanding. The 2024 Toyota Tacoma comes in price from $32,995 to $53,595 depending on the model level and options. Toyota will completely redesign its well-liked midsize Tacoma. The new Tacoma rides more smoothly over ruts and bumps than its predecessor due to an updated suspension system hidden under the more muscular design. A new range of turbocharged four-cylinder engines is also available, offering more power and fuel economy than the previous four-cylinder and optional V6. Even a new hybrid drivetrain option is available. Although it produces a good 326 horsepower and 465 pounds-to-foot of torque, it doesn't actually gain better fuel economy. All Tacoma is powered by a turbocharged 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine. However, the engine is available in two configurations, with either an 8-speed automatic gearbox or a 6-speed manual. Both rear and four-wheel drive are offered. The standard 228 horsepower Turbo 4 is only available in the entry-level SR, while the rest of the lineup receives more powerful I-Force models with up to 278 horsepower and 317 pound-feet torque. While all Tacomas have a body-on-frame design, there are two alternative rear suspension options. The SR, SR5 Extended Cab, and TRD Pre-Runner are equipped with traditional leaf springs, while the rest have coil springs. We had the opportunity to drive the non-hybrid Tacoma and were impressed with its improved on-road performance, especially models with new coil springs, which provide a substantially better ride than ones with older leaf spring technology. When we tested the Tacoma with the 278 horsepower engine, we recorded a 7.0-second time to reach 60 miles per hour. Around town, the powertrain delivers plenty of drive, and highway merging and passing are effortless. Because the Tacoma makes its money playing in the dirt, the off-road focused variants come equipped to go practically anywhere. The interior of the new Tacoma has significant advancements in both packaging and design. Combined with classic switchgear and high-resolution screens, the dashboard has better materials. The gauge cluster on Tacos is usually 7.0 inches in size, although models TRD Off-Road and upwards sport a bigger 12.3-inch all-digital panel. On the limited and higher variants, a head-up display is standard, and the front seats are heated and cooled. Every model has the added feature of raised seats with equal headroom, so the driver doesn't feel like they're sitting on the floor. Many more people should find the truck more comfortable thanks to an adjustable steering column. We were also very impressed with the Tacoma's on-road braking capabilities. The pedal is quick but contacts the brakes smoothly, making it easy to reduce speed precisely at any speed. Handling is normally not a major concern for truck consumers, but the Tacoma's steering is light and accurate, and it behaves well on the highway. The Tacoma's off-road capabilities vary by trim level, ranging from average to formidable at both high and low speeds. This truck will perform well in most off-road scenarios thanks to trick shock absorbers and sophisticated traction control. Our test vehicle comes with the optional 14-inch touchscreen, which just dominates the Tacoma's cabin. It appears out of place on the dash, but it has a lot of functionality, including wireless smartphone connectivity and useful voice controls. The Tacoma has numerous USB-C charging connectors and offers wireless charging pads as an option. However, the near-vertical design of the wireless charge pads raises concerns about phones toppling over and losing their charging connection. All Tacomas come standard with a number of sophisticated driver assistance features including as automatic emergency braking, lane departure alert, full-speed adaptive cruise control, and more. We generally enjoyed the practical performance of the driver assistance systems, which were neither overly cautious nor prone to false alerts. The Tacoma prioritizes both storage and utility. There are 2 cargo bed sizes and a 400-watt standard electrical outlet. Tacomas with the hybrid powertrain get an increase to 2,400 watts. Inside, the Tacoma has numerous storage possibilities. The center console, as well as the front and rear doors, are packed with compartments. There's also a convenient tray over the glove box. If you choose the extra cab configuration, the space behind the front seats, despite the fact that it is still only a 2-seat vehicle, is filled with extra storage for larger objects, making it ideal for transporting stuff that you don't want to put in the bed. The rear seat backs of the 4-door double cab fold down, and the seat cushions lift up to reveal more storage. The Tacoma has a maximum cargo capacity of 1,705 pounds. Towing capacity is more average at 6,500 pounds when fully equipped. The Colorado may tow up to 7,700 pounds, for example, but the Tacoma should be able to carry smallest to mid-size trailers. The EPA estimates the 2-wheel drive Tacoma's fuel efficiency to be 21 miles per gallon in the city, and 26 miles per gallon on the highway. While the 4-wheel drive estimations are 20 miles per gallon in the city, and 23 miles per gallon on the highway. Those figures aren't much better than the previous generation Tacoma, which came with a V6 engine. On our 75-mile-per-hour highway fuel economy route, the TRD off-road model we tested returned 22 miles per gallon.